Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Alex and it is a pleasure to have you on this channel. So, this is going to be a short introduction to what I'm going to be doing on this channel. So, basically, I just want to bring you along with me on my journey to learning just general new skills. Right now, what I have in front of me is something I've been practicing for about 5 months, since January of this year, 2021. Pretty much, it's just gonna be a slow grind, me leveling up in my art progression at the moment. Later on, I want to start learning other than art, a third language, probably a fourth and a fifth. I only know English, Spanish at the moment, so 2 down, 3 more to go. After that, I would like to learn to make music, in a DAW, in a digital audio workstation. That sounds pretty fun to me. Other than that, I don't know. I guess we'll just see how it goes. Maybe there's other things in this world that I want to learn, and when I figure that out, I'll take you along. So, that's all I have, and I will see you guys in the next video.